Hello students, I am MK Vijay, your SST teacher. In this video, we are going to discuss about the tropical deciduous forest. In the previous video, we have discussed about rainforest and now deciduous forest. Actually, the tropical deciduous forest is a natural vegetation of monsoon region, and as you know, our country is coming under monsoon region, so we can say it is indigenous vegetation of our country, and due to it is called the monsoon forest also, because mainly it is found in Indian subcontinent. These are the most widespread forest of India. The bigger part of India is coming under it. It is spread in Gangetic Plain, Brahmaputra Plain, the central India as well as peninsular India. So try to consider the most part of the India has deciduous forest or monsoon forest. On the basis of availability of water, these forests are further divided into moist deciduous forest and dry deciduous forest. We will discuss one by one. First is moist deciduous. Forests are found in the area that is receiving 100 to 200 cm of rainfall, as well as the main feature of moist deciduous forest, the trees of it shed their leaves during the dry season. But each and every species has not shedding leaves at the certain time. It has different time. इसकी जो पत्तियां गिरती है वो हर तरह के पौधे की अब पौधे का अलग अलग टाइम होता है और उस टाइम पर गिराता है। ये नहीं कि इस जंगल में जितने भी पौधे हैं सब के सब एक बार ही पत्ती को गिरा देता है, ऐसी बात नहीं है। ड्यू टू इट द इंटायर फॉरेस्ट इज नॉट बेयर एट एनी टाइम, इसलिए समूचा फॉरेस्ट एक बार में बिना पत्तियों का नहीं दिखता है। मतलब एक तरह की पत्तियां गिराए हुए हैं पत्ते, तो बाकी सब में पत्ते रहते हैं। इसका मतलब हुआ कि फॉरेस्ट लगभग हमेशा हरा भरा ही दिखलाई पड़ता है। इन बीच शीशम, सैंडलवुड, साल, खैर, रोजवुड, bamboos are also very commonly found in the forest. इसमें शीशम, सैंडलवुड, साल, खैर, रोजवुड, बम्बू जैसे पेड़ पाए जाते हैं। ऐसा आपको दक्षिण भारत में भी मिल सकता है और नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न पार्ट में भी मिल सकता है। इट इज फाउंड इन नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न स्टेट्स, द फुट हिल्स ऑफ द हिमालयाज, हिमालय की तराई में, झारखंड, वेस्ट उड़ीसा, छत्तीसगढ़, एज वेल एज ईस्टर्न पार्ट ऑफ वेस्टर्न घाट, because eastern part of western ghat is coming under the rain shadow area, so it receives but a smaller quantity of rain. Now we are going to discuss about the dry deciduous forest. Actually Such type of forests are found in area having rainfall between 70 cm to 100 cm, and in this way it is found in the better part of peninsular plateau and the plain of बिहार एंड यूपी. इसमें पूर्वी यूपी और बिहार यह समूचा इसी में आता है. इसके अलावे दक्षिण भारत के जो भींगे हुए प्रदेश हैं जहाँ बारिश कम होती है वहाँ भी इस तरह का ड्राई डेसिडियस फॉरेस्ट पाया जाता है. इट है टीक, साल, पीपल, नीम, महुआ and so on. Teak is present in both type, dry deciduous and moist deciduous. But sal, peepal, neem, bargad, that is banyan, all are present in dry deciduous. Most of these forests have been cleared for cultivation and grazing. Now, in Bihar and UP you can't find any forest because all land had turned for cultivation. It has lion, tiger, pig, deer, elephant, as well as variety of birds, lizards, a snake, tortoises, such type, and in spite of it different type of birds as well as some lizard are also present. That's all. In the next video we will discuss about the thorny bushes or desertic forest. Thanks.